And welcome to this new episode, guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to double tap to take a screenshot on your iPhone. You can double tap the Apple logo at the back of your iPhone to take a screenshot or even turn on touch light on your device. So this depends on what you want your double tap or triple tap to do whenever you double tap or triple tap the Apple logo on your iPhone. Now, to make your iPhone take a screenshot on your iPhone, each time you double tap or double click on the Apple logo, all you need to do is go to your iPhone settings, and the settings, scroll down and click on accessibility. Under accessibility, tap touch. Now scroll down and click on double tap. Under double tap, there are two options available, double tap and triple tap. So if you want to double tap to take a screenshot on your iPhone, you need to choose double tap. And if you want to triple tap to take a screenshot on your iPhone, you need to choose triple tap. And once that is done, scroll down under system and make sure you select screenshot. Once you select the screenshot button, you should hit the back button. You should see double tap function is to take screenshot. And with that, whenever you double tap the Apple logo at the back of your iPhone will take the screenshot of the picture. This is how you can easily set your iPhone to take screenshots each time you double tap the back of the phone or the Apple logo at the back of the phone. If this is helpful, if you want to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.